Open OBS Studio and start by checking the stats window. This will help you determine whether OBS is dropping frames because of your computer, your encoder, or your internet connection. If you're streaming and seeing dropped frames, first check your internet connection. Make sure your upload speed is stable and that you're not using an unnecessarily high streaming bitrate. Next, open Settings and go to Output. Check your streaming bitrate and reduce it if your internet connection cannot maintain the current value. A lower, stable bitrate is usually better than an unstable high bitrate. Now check your streaming server. In the stream settings, make sure you're connected to an appropriate server for your region. If your selected server is experiencing connection problems, trying another available server may help. If the stats window shows rendering lag or encoding problems instead of network drops, the issue may be your computer rather than your internet. In that case, reduce your output resolution, or FPS, and consider using hardware encoding if your GPU supports it. You should also close unnecessary applications that may be using your internet connection or system resources. Background downloads, cloud synchronization, and other network-heavy programs can affect streaming stability. If you're connected through Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router, or, if possible, use a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable connection. After making these changes, start another test stream and watch the stats window. If dropped frames